Hey my Weezie Nation, welcome back to my channel. And for the ones who are new, welcome. So today we are about to go in the kitchen and prepare something that I used to eat when I was little. I know y'all gonna say, oh my God, what is that? But anyway, let's get into it, y'all. Okay, y'all, I have my cup and a spoon, and I have all-purpose flour. Okay, I'm pour a little bit of flour in here. This is, let me see, how much cup of flour. This is two-third cups of flour. Got my frying pan heating up. Got my vegetable oil that I will be using. Okay, I'm about to add some water to this flour. Let the water run a little bit. Then I'm gonna take the flour, mix it up with the water. Okay, I need some more. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit of sugar. Okay, I'm pouring some of this vegetable oil into the frying pan here. I'm about to take y'all over. Has a flipper. Fire down some. Okay. Come on now. Give me a hard time to flip. What the world? Let me pick up some. Oh, different from pancake, right? But different from pancakes, right? I know. Okay, once it's done, I'll be back. Now I got a half a cucumber that I'll be dicing. But first, I'm going to peel the skin off, so I'll be back. We are ready to eat. But before we eat, we're going to say our prayer. We're going to bless this food. God is great. God is good. And I thank you for our food body. It's also great. I thank you for allowing me to prepare this lovely meal that I haven't had since I was a little girl. God, thank you for waking me up this morning. God, thank you for waking everyone up this morning who are watching this YouTube channel right now. Amen. Okay. So I'm gonna explain what I have here. I have some OJ. I have some cucumber with some sugar and a little bit of Italian dressing. Okay. The cucumbers, I used to pick these when I was little. How many of y'all can relate to what I'm saying right now? You said pick these when you were little. Yes, because I'm from down south, like I always say in some of my videos. I'm from down south. So I used to pick these up. Well, I used to stay in the city part, and then I would go in the country area to my grandmom's house, God bless the dead, and go, and every time I come there for the summer, to earn me some money and stuff like that for the summer, while I'm there, I would go in the field and pick cucumbers, you know. And they used to pay like, 20 cents a bucket, something like that, or 10 cents a bucket. Oh my God. So we had, it's like a croaker sack. If y'all know what that is. If you don't, look it up. Y'all will see a croaker sack. You used to have to fill it all the way up. And I think they weighed it. They weigh the bag and then you get, oh, yeah. They weigh the bag and you get paid by the bag, not by the, I think by the bucket. Not by the bucket, but by the bag. Used to get up early in the morning. early, y'all. Something like what we are doing now, who are on YouTube, get up early in the morning to get that video out there and all that, record and stuff like that. So it's like, it used to be like 4 o'clock in the morning, something like that. Get up and be ready by 5 so you can go in the field, so you can be out there before the sun come out. Because once that sun come out, oh my God, you don't want to work no more. But you still be pushing it. But anyway, so that's what this is. And I sprinkle some sugar on it because I used to like to eat it with sugar and sometimes with some salt. So now I'm trying it with the sugar and the Italian dressing, okay? All right, enough of that one. Okay. And you see here where I've been mixing it up like some pancakes, right? We call this fry bread with some flour and water. And I add a little bit of sugar into it to make it like a little sweet. And I got on it, I got some butter. And I sprinkle now, because, now we got powdered sugar. So I sprinkle some of that on. And then I got a little bit of sugar on the side. So, yeah. So how many of y'all out there had some fried bread? That's what we used to call this, fried bread. Okay? Let's see if it still tastes the same. Because I haven't had this in a long time, since I was a little girl. So, yeah. And then if I need, And then if I need to sweeten it up for real, I got some syrup. Okay, but I'm gonna taste it like this first. Got powdered sugar on it, some butter. This is how it looks for real. Oh, sorry, y'all. This is how it looks. Then I put some sugar on it. Oh, like that. See, it's still the same. Not really. I don't know if it's the flour or what. Because back then, I don't know. Maybe the flour. It don't taste the same. Yeah, and not taste the same. What I'm missing. I don't know what I'm missing. I'm gonna have to call home and see what I missed out of the here. The vanilla extract, you think? For flavor? I don't know. So I'll be adding some salt. I'll be adding some syrup. I'm missing something. I don't know what it is. If y'all know, comment down below and let me know what I missed. Comment and let me know. Make sure. Yeah. Comment and let me know. Let me taste my cucumbers. I know I can't lose with a cucumber now. That's still the same. Can't lose with that cucumber. And then I add some Italian dressing with it. Oh yeah. Can't lose with that. I'm about to see if any difference by me adding the syrup. Did I add syrup back then? I don't know. It was so long, y'all. I probably did. The fried bread and syrup. Okay, with the syrup a little better. I probably needed to put some vanilla extract in the mixed up in there to give it some type of flavor. But yeah, this is not a completely disaster. I'm gonna try this again. I gotta call home and see what I missed out of the fried bread. Cause ain't no way. Ain't no way. I'm not taking that L. I'm not taking it. I'm not. It's good. I'm gonna finish eating my breakfast. Y'all don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Share. Tell a friend, and tell more friends to come on over to Mama Weesie channel. And keep your post notification bell turned on because you don't want to miss the next upcoming video. And if you haven't watched my videos yet, this is the best time to catch up, y'all. Catch up what you're missing. And I'm out. Mwah.